A very good evening from whenever you're watching and listening to the FM update show. For now, I'm up with some more news and some intriguing news in regards to the political happenings in the country. And one of the stories that has currently come onto our realization and onto our news desk is in regards to the former president of the Republic of Kenya, Uhuru Kenyatta, together with his family, jetting out of the country to the United Kingdom, mostly to the city of London, where they have called a crisis meeting for the family to solve something that is currently going on in the country. Kenya is going through a moment of increased political inconveniences as fresh details keeps coming every day. This is a trend that has really endangered many families and property over the ongoing instability and hatred from the government. Among those who have been affected mostly and are a target of the government is the Kenyatta family. Because of this, it has emerged that Uhuru Kenyatta, his mother, brothers, and sisters will be leaving the country for London to discuss the future of the Kenyatta business empire. Sources aware of their plans have revealed that they are actually going to discuss matters on the current business environment that is facing their empire in Kenya and the whole of East Africa at large, because the Ruto's government has had a great impact in the Kenyatta family business. This might come as a big shock because the current happenings and the current pressure from Ruto and Gachagua government has crippled the Kenyatta business empire for the last 8 months since it came into power. This comes at a time when their property has been endangered by the ruling government. Remember, the Northlands was raided, his mother's security scaled down, among other things, his son being a target of the state. To have a conducive environment for this, they opted to do this from outside the country because recently the government agencies, and mostly let me say the National Intelligence Service working inside the Kenyatta family, has been selling information and intel to the government, which has made the government label Uhuru Kenyatta's movement immobile. Because Kenyatta can never go anywhere without the government knowing what his next move is. Reason being, the NIS are on his neck day in, day out, every minute. Again, Uhuru is planning to meet his family, saying he has never had proper time to talk to them in regards to the political atmosphere in the country. And I shall quote him, "I have never had a good family time as I wanted. In fact, I want to go on vacation with my children, and when this happens, do not say I have run away. I need rest and they need me. I have never been available," he said. Now, according to the Star, I shall quote them. A section of the Kenyatta family members from the Uhuru Kenyatta's family are planning to travel to London for a meeting on various issues. Sources aware of the said plans said the family members will meet and discuss the current business environment in the country and decide the way forward. The meeting is scheduled for August 11th. The sources sought anonymity. Uhuru promised he is not running away but going to simply meet his family. But the question still roams around the hair. Is this a way for Kenyatta and his family to run away? Because one thing for sure, you can't tell me that they lack a conducive environment for them to conduct their business meetings in the country. Right now, the pressure from the government is so much. That's the reason I've always told you that whatever may come, don't put yourself in the front line during the battles of these politicians, because at the head of it all, it will backfire on you. Now look at it. Youths on the street fighting for the Kenyatta family properties, fighting that Uhuru's business empire is being crippled down. But when you look at it right now, who is laughing now? those that were shot and killed during the struggle and the fight with the police, they've been laid to rest. Their families have been left to suffer and continue to languish in poverty as usual. But the Kenyattas are flying out of the country for business meeting and a vacation in the United Kingdom and of other cities in London, and they shall have the protection of King Charles. That's what's up. Go ahead and subscribe. See you in the next one. My name is Felix Wonder, and this is the FM Show Update.